Happy Sunday to you. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz. We're tracking more rain and more mountain snow, which is great news. For our ski resorts, not so great for past travel. So make sure you check in with WashDOT before heading out. And today it's going to be off and on rain. Same for the mountain snow. Each and every day this week, we're going to have rain chances. Some days will be a little wetter than others, but we are trending warmer. Some good news. 7 p.m. sunsets are officially 3 weeks away. Yes, we lose an hour of sleep as we spring forward. So when the clock hits 2 a.m., we spring forward to 3 a.m., but we can look forward to 7 p.m. sunsets after starting 7 p.m. sunsets and on all the way until the end of September. Here's a look at Snoqualmie Pass this morning. You see the slopes are active and the day is just starting. So I expect a lot of people to hit the slopes. And as you should, if you are going to ski, you're going tubing or just snowboarding too, Snoqualmie Pass was the winner for 24-hour snow totals, 7 inches in 24 hours, at least as of about 5 a.m. this morning. Mount Baker, 2 inches, Stevens Pass, about 4 inches. But we're not done with the snow. That winter storm warning is still in place for the Cascades, all in Washington, and the passes 2,500 feet and above, although our snow levels are coming up to about 3,000 to 3,500 feet today. So through 10 a.m. tomorrow, 8 to 16 plus inches of snow. And again, this is going to lead to some very difficult pass travel. So into our Monday and Tuesday, snow levels just come down a little bit. Wednesday, about 2,500 feet, but look ahead to next weekend. The passes are going to have some snow, yes, but also some snow melt possibly, at least at the bases, because snow levels will start to come up to about 4,000 to 5,000 feet. So more so Snoqualmie Pass. And we are going to keep precipitation in the forecast all this week, all the way into next weekend. Here's a look at the passes, at least as of 9 a.m. this morning. Check out that line, Stevens Pass. I mean, the bumper to bumper traffic, and then you see that the parking lot's already full. Snoqualmie Pass, we have some snow-covered roads. Once again, just check in with WashDOT. So we are talking additional snow. This is our in-house model showing through Tuesday at noon, showing the potential for 1/2 foot, maybe 1.5 feet for some spots, but it's also not taking into account what we've already had and what we could still get, maybe even higher than this for Stevens Pass, but the higher elevations will get some of the highest snow totals. Futurecast shows into our afternoon. If you have brunch plans or anything going to the market, just keep the rain jacket with you. Temperatures will come up today, some spots even around 50 degrees. Into the afternoon, we'll likely have a break in the rain, but watch what happens. We get our next wave of rain into the afternoon and the evening, and then tomorrow morning, if you're not off, tomorrow is President's Day, you will have a wet commute, at least wet roads. But the good news is we're not talking icy conditions for your commute. It's just going to be wet from some of this rain. Into Monday afternoon, we'll see tapering showers for most, although we could get a little bit of convergence setting up over Snohomish County, and that's why Stevens Pass could be one of the bullseyes in terms of some of these higher snow totals. We'll dry things out at least the first half of our Tuesday, but then our next system comes into play, and this could produce some really heavy rain. Here's Tuesday, 8 p.m., and you see how rain spreads over the area into our Wednesday morning. And again, those rain totals are going to quickly add up. So we'll get maybe some pockets of moderate rain today, but into Tuesday, Tuesday and into Wednesday, that's when we'll get that better chance for some heavy rain. For now, this is through Tuesday night, and you can see the coast may pick up an inch, but this is just the start of that next wave of rain. So this does not take into account what Wednesday's rain totals could be as well. So we'll have to watch out for that, but it is going to be a very active week with Rain at times, temperatures coming up just about daily. By next weekend, we're in the mid 50s. So we are going to have rain at times, just system after system, essentially, with breaks in the mix. But rain is back in the forecast. But this is typical for our February. In fact, at SeaTac, we're below where we should be for this time of year and for February. So taking you through at least the second half of the week, this is Wednesday, and this is what I was talking about. You see all that mountain snow, so we'll continue to add to our snowpack because we need that as well. And then a wet commute Wednesday morning. For now, it looks as though most of the rain should taper off into the back half of our Wednesday before we get our next round of rain and mountain snow. A break in the back half of the day, perhaps, or Thursday night, with increasing rain once again into our Friday, into our Saturday. You see what I mean, essentially. So we're going to have daily rain chances in the forecast, just about daily, and potentially all the way into next week as well. And with rising snow levels, that could mean that we could get some minor snow melt, and more so in the passes, as I mentioned. So taking you through the 7-day forecast, temperatures going to fluctuate, but we should be about 50 degrees as for a high for this time of year. So we'll be near that. And our mornings should be about 38 degrees, give or take. So you can see we're trending a little above normal by the end of this week and into next weekend. So pretty much copy and paste just about daily. But again, we're not going to have just rain for 7 days straight. We will have some breaks in the mix, but you will need that rain gear. But you can at least put away the snow boots. You can put away the heavy winter gear, at least for now, unless you're going up to the mountains, of course. And then looking at the long range forecast to the end of February, this is beyond the 7-day forecast. Temperatures maybe in the mid 50s, maybe some upper 50s. We'll see. But again, this just shows our weather pattern is definitely changing, and I'm not seeing at least any major cool downs in the foreseeable future, but that doesn't mean winter is totally done. And by the way, spring officially begins on March 20th, and so that is just what, a little over 3 weeks away, so something else to look forward to. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz. You can go on king5.com for the latest forecast discussion. You can download the free King 5 app on your phone and King 5 Plus on your TVs. And so we'll have more weather coverage on air, online, King 5 Plus. Meteorologist Adam Claybon is in tonight, and he'll bring you all of the latest to get you ready for the work week.